Hi everyone, this is a tutorial on how to crop and rename images on the Windows PC. If your computer has the Windows Start icon on the bottom left of the screen, then this tutorial is for you. First, let's make sure we know where our image is saved. For me, my image is saved on my desktop. However, yours may be saved under your Documents, Downloads, or Pictures folders. You can access this menu by clicking once on the library icon, then scrolling down to the left and clicking on the This PC tab. From there, you can access the different folders and look for where your image is. However, to change where your image is saved, you can bring up this menu, which pops up whenever you are saving a document, download, or picture to your PC. At the top, you can see that it says that this image will be saved to my desktop. However, yours may say differently. It may say Documents, Downloads, or Pictures. To change where it is being saved, go to the left of the menu and click on one of the tabs. By clicking on Pictures, it now says that this image will be saved to the Pictures folder. However, I recommend saving your images to the desktop, as that will be the easiest place to access later on. Now we can crop our image because we know where it is. Now double-click on the image. This brings up the Photos app, which allows us to manipulate how the picture looks. There are 5 different icons on the top of the screen, but today we'll be focusing on this one, which is the crop icon. This icon gives us access to the crop tool. So let's click on it once. This brings us to the crop and rotate menu. Let's first think about what we want our picture to look like. I want my picture to be of the Mona Lisa and the frame. So in order to crop it, I'm going to click and drag each of the corners to the corner of the frame. The highlighted area is what the new picture will look like. So then I'm going to click and drag the other corner to the other corner of the frame. So as you can see, the new picture will be of the Mona Lisa and the frame. You could also manipulate the vertical and horizontal lines for a more precise crop, but I recommend using the corners because it is much easier to use. Now that our image is cropped, we can go to the bottom right of the screen where it says Save a Copy. Now we're going to click More Options and then click Save. We're going to click Save because it will save the crop as well as replace the original image rather than saving an entirely new copy. So let's click Save. Now our image is cropped, so we can exit out of the Photos app. That is how you crop an image. There are 2 different ways to rename your image on the computer. The first way is by right-clicking on the image and then moving your mouse down to the Rename option. It is usually further down the list. So let's click on Rename, and that gives us access to change the name. I'm going to name it Mona Lisa. I recommend naming the image on the computer the same as the name of the painting in the picture. So, for example, if the painting is named Songbirds, then rename the image to Songbirds. Now we can click off the image and the image will have the new name. Another way to rename the image is using the same menu we used earlier to check where our image will be saved. As you can see, it has file name right here highlighted. Instead of having all these numbers - Mona Lisa, we can simply change it to Mona Lisa. I will add an extra number after it as I already have Mona Lisa saved. This will change the name before saving it to your desktop. Then after that, you can go in and crop it without having to rename it afterwards. So as you can see, it is saved to my desktop as Mona Lisa 1 rather than that long string of numbers or something like image and then a long string of numbers again. That is all for today. Thank you for watching.